Can't get into your salon or barber and you've got this sweater situation growing on the back of your neck? Well, I'm going to show you a few tips on how to get rid of this without messing up your haircut. So one is, if you happen to have one of these trimmers, these edgers at home, some of you might, ask someone who's in the house to help you out. And you're going to remove everything that doesn't belong here below your hairline. So ask them to take a step back and look at your hairline. Like on here, you can see the bulk or the majority of the hair where it ends. And then sometimes you have all this straggly stuff right here at the bottom. That's what you want to get rid of. So take your edger, have them come in and actually start slightly below where your hairline ends, so that you are safely removing the hair away instead of going into the hairline and messing up the haircut. So start slightly below and come down and just shave it all off. That's one way you can get rid of it. Another way, and I actually recommend this more because you can go longer in between your haircuts if someone does this on you, is you use a straight edge razor or a razor that you shave your face with every day. So what you do is get some kind of clear lotion, oil, or shaving cream to help protect your neck so that you don't get razor burn. And what you want to do is just spray this in. I have a spray and it's called Shave Tonic by Baxter of California. Why I love this is because it helps raise up the hair so you get an even closer shave, and then you don't get the irritation on the back of your neck. You won't get those razor bumps. So go ahead and put that on, prep your skin, and then come in with your razor and go slightly below where the hairline ends. So here's the hairline. I'm not going to mess up the haircut here. Go slightly below the hairline and just do short little strokes going down, and you're going to get a much closer shave, and this is going to last you longer, and you're not going to feel like you have a woolly mammoth growing on the back of your head. Hope this helps.